In this video, I will be showing you how to upload a video to Google Drive and share the link. The first thing you will need to do is tap on the plus that says new in the top left hand corner. Then from there, you're going to select File Upload. After doing that, you can go into the file that has the video that you would like to upload and share, and you're going to select the video. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on Open. After doing that, you can see the video is being uploaded. Once the video has been uploaded, all you'll need to do is tap on the three dots in line with the video name. So just give it a few seconds while it is being uploaded. Once it is uploaded, you can tap on My Drive right here from the left-hand menu option. After tapping on My Drive, you'll be able to see all of the documents that are in your drive right here. You can also tap on Recents from the left-hand menu option, and you will see all of the documents that I've uploaded recently. So you can see the video that we were uploading right here. So all you'll need to do is tap on the three dots in line with the video name. Then you're going to tap on Share, and you're going to select Share. After selecting Share, you'll see General Access. And at the moment, if we were to share the link, you can see right here, only persons with access can open the link. So we're going to tap right where you see Restricted, and you're going to tap on Anyone with the link. So by selecting Anyone with the link, as you can see right here, you can now copy and share the link, and persons will now be able to view the video. And that's it, and they can also download the video if they want. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.